So what's good about today? So getting ready to paint this hotel here in Kennewick, and the first thing we need to do is pressure wash. So that's the thing that we're doing here. So Smile Mile Painting does not only paint houses, also we paint some commercial properties, which is hotels, apartments, any large buildings. We do that. So what he's doing now is just pressure washing all the dirt and the grime off of the siding there. And this is stucco siding. So we're gonna use elastomeric paint coating, and you can see all that dirt and grime coming off of there. So we're getting the whole building pressure washed, and I'll walk down here, which is another pressure washer. We actually have 2 pressure washers set up on this job just because of the size. So let's go down there. All this is gonna get painted. This building is gonna look a lot different when we're done. They've got multiple color schemes. So they're doing a couple different color schemes on this one, and it is gonna look a lot different than it does right now. Everything in here is gonna get painted. Railings, around the lights, it looks like they got new outdoor lights. So that's gonna get all painted and touched up around where it didn't work. Kind of shadowed up there. All that's gonna get painted. All these cobwebs, all that dirt, all that stuff up there has got to come off before we can put our coating on. So we also have Dennis pressure washing, and he's pressure washing down here. So let's follow that. A lot of times up here by the lights is where all the cobwebs and spiders and the dirt collects. So it's really important before you put any paint on it or do anything to the building, you must have a clean surface to start off with. All this brick gets painted too. So he's pressure washing. You can see all that dirt coming off. All that's getting pressure washed and getting clean, super good clean. Some of that stuff hasn't been cleaned for years. So what used to be Days Inn is now Motel 6, and we're pressure washing tonight. It's about 4 o'clock in the evening. We're gonna pressure wash tomorrow, and we're going to get a lift here tomorrow. The painters are gonna show up and start applying the paint on that stucco.